Now to the Rynor Report. A Superior Court judge in Los Angeles ruled that California law requires public companies to have women on their boards is unconstitutional.
The judge said the law violates the right to equal treatment.
And political reporter Morgan Rynor is joining us now. Morgan, you spoke to the woman behind this bill. What did she have to say?
Madison, she called the ruling a travesty, but she does not believe it will impact the momentum she said the law created.
When then Governor Jerry Brown signed the Women on Boards bill into law, he cast doubt on it, saying he was signing it despite the potential for it to be overturned in court.
I wish he never said it, because that sort of gave an excuse to these ultra right-wing out-of-state groups that brought this lawsuit against SB 826.
The conservative legal group Judicial Watch sued the state. Friday, a judge ruled in their favor.
A travesty, really, against advancing women in business. There's absolutely no logical reason that this would be reverse discrimination when women have been discriminated against on corporate boards for years.
Judicial Watch did not get back to me before this story aired. Since the law went into effect, CEO of 50/50 Women on Boards, Betsy Berkemeier-Creder, said the law has proven to be successful.
Where before the law, the level of women on California boards in 2017 was only 16%. And as a result of the law, SB 826 in California, there were the number of women on boards has doubled to 32%.
But no company was ever fined for not following the law.
The train has left the station, Morgan. More women are going to be getting on boards. More companies are following this. It's not just a trend, it's smart business. And so I'm not concerned that this is a setback.
Betsy told me she believes the Attorney General, Rob Bonta, will try to appeal this decision. Now, I reached out to his office to confirm. They told me to reach out to the Secretary of State's office, their client, and they told me that they are reviewing the decision right now.
And Morgan, I know you have reported on the impacts of this law before, and you said local companies were, for the most part, following along.
Exactly. All but one of the top 9 largest public companies in our area were up to date with the law, but still 40% of California's companies were not up to code before the decision was made to overturn the law.
Okay, Morgan, keep us posted on how this one develops.